So guys, here is how I sometimes record my videos with my Samsung device and also using the Shure microphone here. As you can see, this is the Shure MV7, and what I sometimes do is I use this with my Samsung phone here. So what I will do essentially is I will just put this on my tripod, and then I will take the USB cable which is connected to the back here, to the back of the microphone, and then essentially what I will do is I will route it round and then just input it in to the Samsung device, which will allow me to record with good audio on my mobile device. I'm currently recording on the Pocket 3, but sometimes what I like to do is record on the mobile device here, and the sound quality, it's okay, but sometimes what you will need is a little bit better sound quality to be able to go ahead and sound good on YouTube or any social media website. And this is where this microphone does come in right here. So I'll use this, I will route it around, put it into my mobile, and that will give me good enough audio quality to be able to post to YouTube for better results and a better sounding experience for the viewer.